Hello everyone! The holiday season is upon us and with it the usual amounts of amazingly good food that guarantee the need for bigger pans early next year. And so we thought, let's go with the flow and also be part of the gluttony with things we know about a bit or two.
Which means that we are not going to bake a gingerbread house, but a PC case, the Gingerbread Base 9000 to be precise. The airflow is probably going to suck, but let's just wait and see and bake. Well then, Mr. Schmidt, aprons ahoy!
Yes. Oh, nice one.
Thank you. Ho ho ho! Okay, that was quite a mess, but totally worth it, wouldn't you agree? I mean, check it out. The cookie wings are cooling the system quite remarkably. The airflow is, well, there. Our RGB is most certainly one of a kind, and the system is really, really silent. I mean, it's utterly inaudible, and oh, it smells so good. Okay, I am going to devour this beast right now, and I wish you happy holidays. See you soon.